Here's how to fix any problem on your AirPods. Now, if you have AirPods, AirPods Max, whatever they may be, and you're having issues with them, I'm going to walk you through steps to get those fixed. The easiest thing that you can do is do a force factory reset on your AirPods and then just reconnect, and the process is really easy. So you can see if I open up my AirPods here, they should pop up on my iPhone screen. Basically, there it is, AirPods Pro. But if they don't, if this isn't necessarily working well, what you're gonna do is the very back of the AirPods case, there is a button, which is fairly hard to see because it's white on white, and it's flush with the case. But basically, look for that outline of that button, and then you're gonna tap and hold on it. So once you tap and hold on it, the front of that AirPods case or wherever that light is, it will basically look white. So you should be able to see a white blinking light here. You're going to tap and hold until it turns amber. So it takes maybe 10-15 seconds through this process and it'll start to turn amber. There it is. So it is amber and blinking amber. Now all I have to do is close it up. I have factory reset these AirPods, which will fix any kind of connectivity issues, any issues you have with it. Now, I have my iPhone and my AirPods here. I'll show you to connect to them again. You just open it up here, and you can see it says AirPods Pro. It doesn't show that it's Trevor's AirPods anymore. I just hit connect here, and it'll go through the process of connecting as if they were new AirPods. This fixes all kinds of issues. For some reason, these AirPods or AirPods Pro are finicky sometimes, and you just need to reset them. I'm gonna hit not now, and then customize and not now. So basically, I've done this process. You can see I have reconnected on here. I can put them on my ears. They'll be paired up with this specific phone. So it's a really easy process to do and a good thing to do if you're having any issues with your AirPods. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.